Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole on toast, updated. Start by halving and scooping avocados, then mash to a chunky or smooth texture. Add lime, salt, chopped onion, and cilantro to taste while stirring gently. Taste and adjust seasoning, then spread generously over warm toast. Finish with pepper, chili flakes, or a drizzle of olive oil for extra richness and crisp bite. Mash avocados with a fork and fold in lime juice to keep color bright and flavor vibrant. Season gradually with salt and pepper, tasting as you go to avoid oversalting. Stir in chopped tomato, onion, or a small clove of garlic for texture and bite. For heat, use jalapeno or red pepper flakes depending on your preference. Keep some chunky pieces for a pleasant mouthfeel on the toast. For beautiful guacamole on toast, balance creaminess with texture by leaving some avocado pieces intact. Spread a thin base layer of mashed avocado, then pile a chunkier mix on top for visual appeal. Add herbs, seeds, or microgreens to brighten color and add contrast. Serve immediately to preserve texture and color, or cover tightly with plastic touching the surface to slow oxidation if you must wait to serve guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.